Hey guys, it's me Tabjot. Welcome back to TJ Lego Studio. I also started a new channel called TJ Comics. So go subscribe to that as well. So anyway, in today's video, I've got a motorized aeroplane here. So this is basically like that boat car I made for the derby videos. It's just the boat base. Then I put the wings of the aeroplane set we got. I forgot the set number. Then I just use some other wheels for the engines. Now it's very complex. It took lot of time to make. So I'll just put the camera a bit higher so you all can see it. Okay, I think we should transition for it. Okay, transitioning. Okay, so the transitioning is done. Okay, so these are all the mechanisms for it. So first we'll go to the back. To make the car move, it's a simple mechanism. We take a motor which turns this gear, and this gear turns another bevel gear which is attached to the wheels like this. Very simple design. Then you take aeroplane wings, and if you don't have wings, you can use plates or something. Then here I use the Lego micro motor, and there's one more over here. I mean, you can also use the other Lego motors like this one. I think it's the Lego M motor. Yeah, you can also use the M motor, but I use the micro motor because the smaller the better. So now the micro motor is very slow. It looks faster on camera, but it's actually pretty slow. These are faster. And for the turning mechanism is the hardest part. It took a lot of time to make because there were all these problems that kept coming, so I had to find solutions around all of them. So I'll just tell you the basic idea here. So there's a Lego servo motor over here. I just attached it to the boat with a few these bricks with the holes for pins. Then I just put a few jumper plates in between. Then this is the same mechanism of a normal car that I've shown sometimes on the video. It's like this. So you basically make something like this. Then on this one of these, you just add a wheel with a beam. You just put a beam and then a wheel on that. Then you have to put this part correctly. And you have to make sure everything is strong and tight. Then also you should put a few walls because these things keep coming off when the thing moves. So we need support. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Now I'll show you the actual moving of the plane. Oh, okay. These wires are stopping the thing from moving. Okay, maybe too much friction on the ground. Okay, so the problem is this motor is not strong enough. I'll have to replace it with some other motor, but anyway, for now it works. So if you see closely, the engines turn along with the back wheels. But that one's easy. You just take all the wires and attach them on the same plug thing. So yeah, that's it for the video. Please like and subscribe, and also check out my other channel, TJ Comics, and also subscribe to my brother's channel, which okay, leave that for now, it's still in progress. So anyway, that's it for the video. Please like and subscribe. I'm Tabjan, and I'll see you in the next one. So I think I'll just go now. Okay.